Hi everyone. So today let us see or explore how this is a company called Exa.ai. So they provide a search API. So we can query any over the internet, and these are the different parameters that we can define that how this search will be executed. And so let us see one by one. There were other product like answer, how we chat. Then there is a research. This is the code that we can change or see how it is done. This is crawling. So I think similar to I have used a similar site. I think it was recently launched by former Twitter CEO. So this is mostly I think used for companies or the product, those who are trying to generate data from the internet. So basically, rather than going and typing on the search platforms, you get a data set for a particular query in a different format, CSV or any format, using in a vast amount of data. You know. And now how this search operates, okay, so let us explore one by one. So here I input my query. So let's say I want to list of companies in India who whose product who work in the AI space. So that is our query. Now we can define this search type. Now what is this search type? So this auto means this keyword matching and neural, both keyword and neural. Keyword is like Google. So we can see how they have defined. Yes. This is their documentation. So in the query, you type in a string. This is the API authorization. You can see in the code, you give an API key. Whenever you create an account here, you are automatically given an API key which is posted here, and the result will be again if I click on run. It is just showing. I think I cannot edit here because it is um, just showing a background of it, how it is executed at the back. So this is my query type. These are the different queries that you input, and this is the category you select. That what different options available: keyword, URL, fast, the type of search. So different type of search are there. As keyword, neural, fast, auto. Auto means default. It combines both the neural and the keyword type. And fast uses streamlined versions of the neural and keyword model. Okay. So in the category we define how data category to focus on. So and second is the result category. Yes, we define what kind of data we want to focus on. Personal site, LinkedIn portfolio. Let's say we want to focus on company. Now we can select a location. Let's say I say India. Yes. Now how many results I want? Let's say I want 20 of the results. And you see there is a how the code is added once you select all the filter. Let's say I select a particular date range, year to date, crawl date range. Crawl date range means that they have crawled previously and they have cached that data. Otherwise, there is also a live crawling that happens. Domain filter, we can include a, let's say I want to include google.com. We want to exclude this. And text, results must contain exact phrases. Agriculture, and it should include exclude marketing. I don't want the companies who are in the marketing exploring that particular domain. Now, how that crawling will happen? Live crawl strategy. How we fetch website contents at the search time. Fallback. It uses cache. It uses live crawl when that are not cached. Let me say that always live crawl, ignore cache. Let me select this. I can put a timeout that after how much time the crawling will stop. There needs to be a timeout. Maximum time to wait for live crawling before giving up. Say I want to wait for 100 milliseconds, 100 seconds. Full web page text. No, I don't want full web page text. I want AI page summary. Let's say I want the JSON out. Now we can define the what kind of JSON output do we want. Okay, let me also include links. So let us run this. Search successful. $5 on us for trying all search. So they give credit. Oh, so there are no companies found the result. So let me remove some of the filters and then we can see. So let us remove these. Okay, let's change this to fallback using cache and let's remove a page summary or links. Get a very basic. Yes. So they have found link of particular website because in the category I have typed the name of the company, news articles, PDF, personal site, LinkedIn profile. So let's say I change it to LinkedIn profile. So you see now the outputs are only in the LinkedIn profiles for particular people. Now what I have typed in the list of companies, but here the name of the person. So I can click on the link, visit this. Okay, let's explore the other one. Let's run this. I can select country. And there is a examples library where we can see how they use such. Let's say this. So if you want to pick a particular data point from a particular website, we can see. So they have recently raised $85 million, and this is all the news regarding that from the particular website. Exa.ai funding. That is a query, and there is a also summary. So you see summary of questions. Okay, this is the website part. Now we need to move to the paid plan. But let us explore here. This is search integration, yes, website. So uh, you can get all the data from the web by API. The website API helps you find, verify, and process web data at a scale to build your own unique collection of web content. And what are the key features? This is asynchronous, structured, and event driven. Events are published and delivered through webhooks to notify when items are found and when enrichments are complete, allowing you to process data as it arrives. So there is a search, there are items that you search for, and there is a enrichments. So these are things website containers that organizes a unique collection of web content and its related search. This also happens through agent, an agent that searches and crawls the web. Enrichment is also an agent, and how it works. When you create a data set for this particular query, you provide account, then there is a website created. Now how this is verified? The system starts retrieving results leveraging XR search and verifies each one. Items that pass verification and match your search criteria are automatically added to your website. Each new item triggers a website.item.created event. Yes, so the other company that I was talking about, they did provide a CSV like output. Here, I think this is how a website would work. That if I want to get a data set for a particular query, I can get a data set. But here they have included this in the paid plan. I have forgotten the name of that company. I think it was something. Okay, so that's all I wanted to. In the next video, maybe I can explore something else. Thank you.